Looking for a saucepan that makes cooking and cleanup a breeze? The Farberware 1-Quart Nonstick Covered Straining Saucepan is designed to simplify your kitchen routine. With its durable non-stick interior, food slides right off, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. What sets this saucepan apart? It features 2 pour spouts and a shatter-resistant glass lid with built-in straining holes. That means you can easily drain water after boiling potatoes or blanching vegetables without grabbing a colander. Just rotate the lid to align the holes with the spouts and pour. No mess, no fuss. When you want to lock in heat and moisture, simply cover the holes to cook rice, sauces, or anything that needs gentle simmering. Farberware's commitment to quality shines through in every detail. The heavy-duty aluminum construction heats quickly and evenly, reducing hot spots that can burn your food. Plus, the top-quality non-stick coating lasts longer, making food release effortless. The double-riveted handle offers a secure, comfortable grip, so pouring thick sauces or soups feels steady and safe. I've used this saucepan daily, and what really stands out is how easy it is to clean. Even without the dishwasher, food rinses off with minimal effort. But if you prefer, it's dishwasher safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, saving you even more time. It fits perfectly with other Farberware cookware, making it a versatile addition whether you're building a collection or just upgrading your essentials. If you're tired of juggling pots and colanders, this straining saucepan is worth a look. It streamlines cooking and cleanup, letting you focus on what matters, great meals with less hassle. Its thoughtful design and trusted brand history make it a reliable choice for any kitchen. Ready to make cooking easier? The Farberware dishwasher-safe non-stick aluminum 1-quart covered straining saucepan with pour spouts offers practical features and proven durability. Try it when you're ready to enjoy effortless straining, even heating, and simple cleanup all in one pot.